Hello student of 9th class. We are going to discuss farming in Palampur. You know that. First, you know that I mentioned here topics, dimensions. Land is fixed. Is there any way one can grow more uh, from same land? It means we will look here that land is fixed. Approximately in villages, land is fixed from long time. And is there any way one can grow more on same land from same land? That any method, any technology we have that we can produce more than yield from same land. Land is actually fixed. And will the land sustain? If farmer will produce in village more than one crops and more yields from same land, that can land be sustained or not? Okay. How is land distributed between the farmers of village Palampur? And next we will try to understand that actually the problem is there that land is not distributed similarly, same for everyone. That is there distribution of land in Palampur is same or not? And if they're different or different, then how it is distributed? And who will provide labor? And who will provide labor in village Palampur if there is need of labor? You know that labor is important in production. The capital needed in farming, capital farming में capital की जरूरत, जो पूंजी की जरूरत होगी, need, and sale of surplus from products, farm products. And जो farmers हैं, where they sell their product, extra product after left after their consumption. Okay. First in village Palampur, we find that land is fixed. From 20 or 30 year you can get in your textbook that from 1919, when they used some non-agricultural land and converted into agriculture and farming land, from that year the land is fixed. Agricultural land didn't increase. And near about 75% people of village Palampur are engaged in agricultural activities. And from 1990, there is no any increasement in agricultural land in village Palampur. Okay, it means land is fixed. We got here that in village Palampur land is fixed. Okay, you can observe in your village that is their land is fixed, or your villagers increased the land as agriculture, that they cut down trees and forest and converted into agriculture and agricultural field. Okay, if the land is fixed, that is there any way one can grow more than one crop or more from same land? How? If land is fixed, population is increasing in village, that how can anyone produce more than? Okay, कैसे वो भी वहाँ के लोगों ने किया, हम देखते हैं. We find that village farmers of village Palampur produce approximately all crops. They produce rice in Kharif season, in rainy season. They produce wheat in Rabi season, and also potato in October and November, month of October and November. Okay, they produce Kharif in Kharif season jowar and bajra for feeding animals. Okay, feed of animal. It means by looking their structure of cropping pattern, we can understand they belong from Western Uttar Pradesh. By understanding and by realizing the farming structure of this village, we can say that this village belong from Western Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And sugarcane also. Sugarcane takes 1 year approximately, and produced of sugarcane as jaggery and sugar, they sell in nearest market Raiganj. यू नो दैट, एंड शाहपुर, एंड जो ट्रेडर्स हैं वो लेकर जाते हैं, भी सेंड करते हैं. इस तरीके से ये दीज एक्टिविटीज आर गोइंग ऑन देयर. The question here that how anyone can produce more crop on same land. That is the method is to solve this problem is producing more crop in many season on same land. Suppose here looking that they are producing wheat in Rabi season and they are producing jowar bajra in Kharif season. Okay, and potato also. It means this is called multiple cropping. This is called multiple cropping. यानी to grow more than one crop, on same piece of land or one piece of land is called multiple cropping. यानी through multiple cropping we can produce more yield on same land. This is one method. यानी multiple excuse me, you can, because I am writing through by red marker, visibility problem you will face. Multiple cropping, this is one method. One method. Okay, through this method you can produce more than one crop. And second, you can write here on, and second, you know that in 1960, in the time of 1960, green revolution produced new hybrid yields, and before farmer use classical seed, and the production of classical seed was not high yield. But green revolution in 1960 brought a dramatic change in production of grains. And firstly, Western Europe, Haryana and Punjab, they used the facilities introduced by Green Revolution. That was hybrid yielding seed, HYV, hybrid high yielding varieties. Okay, high yielding variety seed need more irrigation, more pesticide, more fertilizers, okay, and modern technologies. And second method is by using hybrid yielding seed, high yielding variety seed, modern technology, modern input, modern developed irrigation. Okay, here you can find that in Palam village, Palampur, government set up first many government tubes, and after then farmer of village Palampur realized that this is more beneficial for us. They also set up private tubes for irrigation their crop. So स्टूडेंट, यहाँ आप समझ सकते हैं कि मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग के थ्रू हम सेम लैंड पे हम ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं. लैंड की बात हम कर रहे हैं, एक जो मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन होता है लैंड, हम मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को ही पढ़ेंगे पूरे चैप्टर में बेटा. वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू दिस स्टोरी डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. Actually, I think in this video I can't cover whole topic because this I have taken more time. And through hybrid and modern technology, pesticide, fertilizer, and modern machinery, farming machineries, these are the things. And will the land sustain or not? If we are using multiple cropping, if we are using hybrid seed, we are using pesticide, if we are using more fertilizer, we are using machinery, and we are pressurizing the land to produce, to get return back more crop, then we can understand that land will sustain or not. Is the fertility and the natural quality of soil and land will remain or not? Maybe not, because hybrid yield seed need more irrigation, and irrigation need more. For irrigation of the crop, we need more water. This will be reduced the water level, ground water level, underground water level. and using more pesticide and fertilizer will reduce the natural fertility of soil, and this also will danger for the diversity of that area. Okay, in this way they need to control and manage well, technologically manage. This time is demand of time is that to manage technologically and in well manner. Okay, how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? Here you can understand that land is fixed Palampur, and they are producing more crop on same land by multiple cropping and by using modern technologies, modern hybrid yielding seed, high variety seeds, and that was introduced in green revolution in 1916. ओके, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में स्टूडेंट आप लोग थोड़ा सर्च कर लीजिएगा, नेट पे पढ़ लीजिएगा. हाउ इज लैंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन द फार्मर ऑफ पालमपुर. ओके, देखते हैं कि हम विलेज पालमपुर में फार्मर्स का कैसे क्या है, यहाँ पर कंडीशन क्या है. विलेज में लगभग आपको पता है देर अबाउट 450 families are there. Near about 1/3 of total, it means near about 150 near about 150 families have less land. You know that land is most important for cultivation, but near about 1/3 of the total family of the village Palampur, they even or they have less land, either they have less land or not land, they are landless, they are depend on others farm. ओके, आप यहाँ पर एक चीज़ और ऐड कर लीजिएगा कि लगभग हम यहाँ पर विलेज में देखे थे कि हाइब्रिड यील्डिंग सीड वो यूज करते थे, तो लगभग 1 हेक्टेयर में वो लगभग 1300 kg प्रोड्यूस करते थे. लेकिन जब वो when they started to use modern technologies and hybrid yielding seeds, they started to produce near about 30 to 100 kg in 1 hectare. 1 hectare it means 100 मीटर इस साइड वाले एक स्क्वायर का एरिया होता है 100. ओके, लैंड क्या, और ज़्यादातर लोग इसमें जो हैं, ज़्यादातर लोग हैं जो दलित हैं, जो कम, जिनके पास कम पैसा मतलब कम ज़मीन है, और जो ज़्यादातर लोग हैं जिनके पास 2 हेक्टेयर, कुछ लोगों को 10 हेक्टेयर ज़मीन है, जो ऊंची जातियों से अपर कास्ट से बिलोंग करते हैं. उन इस तरीके से डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एक अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमें देखने को मिलता है विलेज पालमपुर में. ओके, उसको केस आप टेक्स्ट बुक से देख लेंगे कि मतलब कितना 400 फैमिली में कितना, किसी के पास 2 हेक्टेयर से भी ज़्यादा है, किसी के पास 10 हेक्टेयर से भी ज़्यादा है. कुछ लोग सम ऑफ देम आर लैंडलेस और इवन who will provide labor. Your next point is who will provide labor. You know that in villages laborers are generally who have not land for cultivation, who have not land for cultivation. कौन होते हैं? जो बेटा ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनके पास या तो लैंड बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, या लैंड उनके पास होगी तो बहुत कम होगी, तो दे कैन सस्टेन देयर फैमिली बाई ओनली ए स्मॉल पीस ऑफ लैंड. तो वो जो लार्ज फैमिली होंगी जिनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ लैंड होगा, वहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, एज ए लेबर वर्क करेंगे. ठीक है, एज ए लेबर वर्क करेंगे, फिर अपनी लैंड, अपनी जो उनकी फिक्स्ड लैंड वहाँ पर भी प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. यानी लैंड जो है वहाँ पर आप यहाँ 3 पॉइंट्स में यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट फर्स्ट फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन लैंड, एंड आफ्टर लैंड you have understood that second factor of production is labor. And who will provide labor? Labor is from village, वो जो कम खेती है जिनके पास, या जिनके पास ज़्यादा खेती नहीं है, या फिर जो खेती लेस है. ठीक है, कैपिटल नीडेड ऑफ इन फार्मिंग. You know that third point, in agriculture is main activity of village Palampur, and if the main activity and main economic activities, तो farming demand capital, for investing irrigation, for pesticide, for fertilizer, for seed, for harvesting the crop. These all the things need capital. So from where villagers get capital? They borrow from landlords. They borrow from landlords, rich family, और इवन कि कहीं पर काम करके और कैपिटल को कलेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, उसमें कभी कभी ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, हम आगे देखेंगे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स में कि किस तरीके से हमारे यहाँ जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के जो हमें देखने को मिलता है कि किस तरीके से सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट या सीजनल एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलता है. तो कैपिटल की भी ज़रूरत हमें क्या होगी, मिलेगी. या तो आप बैंक, या तो जो स्मॉल बैंक, ग्रामीण बैंक इसीलिए खुले होते हैं. ग्रामीण बैंक से फार्मर की कैपिटल के लिए केसीसी की भी योजना, हमारी जो प्लानिंग है गवर्नमेंट की, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड, वहाँ से भी फार्मिंग की व्यवस्था मिलती है. लेकिन विलेज पालमपुर में अगर हम देखेंगे तो जो लोअर लोग हैं वो लोग ज़्यादातर लैंड लॉर्ड्स या जो लैंड ऑनर्स हैं या जो और रिच लोग हैं वहाँ से वो लोग लैंड लेते हैं. व्हाट दे डू approximately I have taken more time, but this is completed. Student of 9th class, I will hope you will study and you will understand farming in Palampur, village Palampur. This is totally, you can relate with your village, and you can, if you observe around you in your village, if you belong from village, then you can find these all the things that are if by observation. Sell of surplus farmer products. जो भी, if they are producing rabi crop, producing kharif crop or other crops, after their family consumption, they sell their product to the nearest market, Raiganj or Sahapur, okay, for saving capital for next cropping. For next cropping, they sell surplus money to next for next market farming. इस तरीके से हमने स्टूडेंट इसमें समझा. यहाँ पर हम एक बार रिकैप्चुलेट कर देते हैं. तो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट आप इसको मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग को समझिएगा, चाहे भी सीड. ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन ये हुआ था कि पहले हमारे यहाँ प्रोडक्शन बहुत कम होता था, तो ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन में हमने मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज किया. हमने वेस्टर्न यूरोप और हरियाणा उत्तर प्रदेश में हाइब्रिड यील्डिंग सीड का प्रयोग किया और जिससे हमारे यहाँ प्रोडक्शन को बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ाया गया. कभी इस पर हम ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन पे एक सिंगल वीडियो बना देंगे. लैंड इज फिक्स्ड. Is there any way one can grow more crop? Yes, multiple cropping, hybrid yielding seed, modern technology. Will land sustain? Maybe not. We have to manage the land. How land distribution between unevenly distributed land in village Palampur? Some of them have more land and some of them less land and some of them landless there. Who will provide labor? Small landless people and less landless farmer of village provide labor. And the capital needed farming, capital that is needed in farming, they get capital from landowners, or they saved that crops by selling that, they use as a capital. And sell of surplus farm to product, a farmer of village Palampur, they sell their products to nearest market. Okay student, thank you. I hope you have understood. This is a lengthy video, but try to understand. Okay, thank you.